Hi guys, this is Hiten Agarwal, founder of Elite Car Studio. Today we have got this beautiful Java white color, it's so mesmerizing color. So we have got this vehicle for ceramic coating, and ceramic coating we have covered entire vehicle, and also we have buffed the engine, it's aluminum finish, and also we have buffed the engine with and it has got a mirror finish on it. So the basic package that we have covered is the fuel tank. This fuel tank has been ceramic coated. You can look at the gloss of it. This gloss will stay on the vehicle if it is maintained properly for coming 2 years. The headlight, it looks so beautiful. Headlight has been ceramic coated. The front mudguard, these studs, suspension, these boxes, and also the fiber parts over here. This fiber has also been ceramic coated. Likewise the rear mudguard, the tail light, and the other side of the box has also been ceramic coating applied. Now ceramic coating gives protection to the painted part. It is easy to clean. The vehicle gets easy to clean, and also the gloss of the vehicle will not deteriorate if you have ceramic coated the vehicle. If we are looking to add on, suppose you opt for add on over and above the parts which we have covered in ceramic coating. So that is the engine, the fins, engine area has been ceramic coated, the silencer, the rims, hub and spokes. This has also been ceramic coated. The chassis and front rim and the spokes and the hub has been ceramic coated. The chassis has been ceramic coated.
Good evening guys, my name is Samrat Soni and I reside in Mira Road. Finally, when I was doing a search on YouTube, on Google, I came across this Elite Car Studio. They are a professional in ceramic coating as well as PPF. I asked them what should I go for it. They explained me in detail that ceramic coating should look best. It will give you a glossy look. It will stay there for 2 years or more, and as you can see how beautifully the ceramic coating has been done. The ceramic coating to be done in Mira Road, I would suggest you go for Elite Car Studio. They have the profession, they know what they are doing. It's been like more than 5 to 6 years they are in this business. Though you might see the shop is not that elegant, but the people over here, they are most experienced, and you will see the result once it is done. I have compared the prices. I went to Bandra, I went to Mumbai, and the prices were too high, they were too costly, they were not transparent at all. Even they didn't allow me inside their workshop. But over here is a total freedom. I can sit over here as long as I want. They will show me each and every product, what product they are using it. That's all guys. So thank you for watching.